Today we are going to discuss about the static methods and the static properties. So keyword static in object-oriented approach describe functions or variables that are not instantiated with a new object. What that mean? You know very well, to access any method and any property, you have to create the instance of the class, which using the new class. As you can see, we are creating the instance, but you can access the static property and the static methods without creating the instance of the class. So how it works, I'm saying I have a, as you can see, I have a class of cars, you know very well, and now I'm creating a method here, public static function. Now I'm saying it's a static my function, my static. And the function name, for suppose I'm saying my static. So public static function my static. Now without, how can you access this method? Now I'm saying cars. So as you can see, with two columns, with two columns you can access the methods. Go to the page. Now I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. Go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's saying my static method. So this is the scope resolution. This is the scope resolution operators. Now if I'm saying I have a static property, so now here I'm saying public static my static property. Now I'm saying shakesy.com, and now here if I access this bad boy, so how can I do that? What you need, just need to call the class, then two columns, now call the property. Now go to the page, refresh the page. So you have to echo this bad boy because it's a property. Go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's saying Shakesy. If I'm saying that echo, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you can access this property and this method. So these are the static methods and the properties. So you can always access with scope resolution operators to access the static and static property. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.